Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be an extreme cleaning video where I spent 4 hours cleaning my entire house, and this is only part 1, so stay tuned for part 2. So if you're needing some extra cleaning motivation today, keep on watching. I'm starting out today's video by putting the clothes in the dryer. I had started a load before dropping the boys off to school in the morning, so that way I could come home and just pick up right where I left off. I recently posted a laundry video where I share all my tips and tricks to help save you time and money when doing laundry, so if that's something you haven't seen yet, go ahead and check that video out, and I'll try to remember to link it in the iCard above. But first, before moving on into the bathroom, as you can see, the mess dragged into my bedroom, and on this morning I was in a rush and didn't get a chance to make my bed, so I'm just going through and showing you the mess that I have to clean up. I'm starting out by dusting my fan, and then I will move on to all my shutters and then the furniture down below. So I always want to start top to bottom so that all the dust goes downward. And you will see throughout this video just how dusty my house was. It's hard to tell sometimes on camera, but you'll see, just wait. Here it is, guys, perfect shot. You see all the dust flying everywhere? Yeah, disgusting. Now I'm moving on to making my bed, which I usually try to do each morning before leaving the house, so I'm not sure what happened on this morning. But I did just want to mention these flannel sheets that I found at Ross. I have been loving these this cold winter season. It's honestly made it hard getting out of bed each morning, so I'm going to be kind of sad when the warmer weather comes and I switch over to a little bit cooler set. I went ahead and did a dry dusting of my furniture on this day just because I knew I was going to be cleaning the entire house and it was going to take all day. So I just wanted it to be really quick and not have to hassle with any kind of spray and rag. And now I'm finally cleaning up this mess that my dog left me, and then moving on to my master bath.
Trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. That I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. No matter distance I cover, you always there. Just my
Now it's time to tackle this mess and get to cleaning up and putting away and throwing away all the stuff that I've let collect on my vanity. I enjoyed this winter break, just taking it easy. I would clean up here and there, small things, but didn't film or do anything too intense as far as cleaning goes. So now it's just getting back into the groove of things, giving my house a really good deep cleaning so that way I can move on to the decluttering part.
I've been trying to keep my cool. I see what your colors shining through. Yeah, I do. Well, that I do. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back. Is it too much to ask? I don't want you back. I don't want you back.
Yeah.
Now for my mirrors, if you've watched my channel from day one, then you probably already know this, but I only use water on my mirrors with a Norwex cloth. This one actually happens to be an e-cloth, which is pretty much a dupe for the Norwex. It's a less expensive alternative and you can get them on Amazon, so I've been loving those lately. Moving on to vacuuming, I saw this tip on Ashley's channel on Till Vacuum Do Us Part to sprinkle a little bit of essential oil into your filter in your vacuum cleaner, but when I went to do that, you guys, I noticed just how filthy and disgusting my vacuum cleaner filter was. I don't remember the last time, if ever, that I've cleaned this out. It's so embarrassing. I know I clean my other vacuum one out on a regular basis, but the other one I had not. So I had to go downstairs and get my other vacuum. They're both Shark vacuums, in case you're wondering. So yeah, I went ahead and tried this little trick. I used the lavender essential oil, put it in my filter, and it made the room smell so good. I know I've heard this tip before in the past on other websites and stuff, but I had actually never tried it and I loved it. So I'm gonna start doing this from now on. And let this serve as a little PSA to remember to clean out your vacuum cleaner filters every so often.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you finding, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying.
I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye. So now I gotta say
So now that my bedroom and bathroom are done, we're moving on to the rest of the upstairs. I'm just going in our laundry room and giving that a little wipe down. And then I'm going to finish folding the load of clothes before moving on to the hallway and my son's room.
What am I supposed to do? I'm lonely here without you. All these days are passing by. Standing there while you're living your life. I'm broken here alone. Waiting.
So this is one of the tips in my latest laundry video that I shared, was that I like to fold my clothes on my bed and lay them out. And as you can see, it doesn't take very much time at all. It's a really quick process.
I'm living a hollow life. I'm living a hollow life. What am I supposed to do? I'm lonely here without you. All these days are passing by.
So I haven't touched this bathroom in quite a while because this is my boys' chores to do every week. But as you can see, they sometimes leave items laying wherever. So I just came in here and gave it a really quick wipe down. Just use some Lysol wipes. These are actually the Great Value brand or the Up and Up, something like that. But gave the counters a good wipe down and cleaned the mirror and picked up a little bit.
Hollow life.
In here, I just went to use the little spray bottle that my kids use on their hair, and it was so cheap it broke. So I'm just getting out the cleaning spray here, and in here is Thieves Cleaner, and that works well on mirrors too. So just so you guys know, you can use that on any surface, including mirrors.
Every day we escape, losing all of our faith. We can't live this way. Feel me slowly fade away. Feel me slowly fade away. As far as the wind will take me. Every day I feel time slip
lastly, I'm moving on to my younger boys' rooms. I'm just gonna give the shutters a good wipe down and then clean up a little bit in here and then vacuum their floors. Okay, so this is gonna wrap up today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this has brought you some motivation to clean up today. And if you have any other video suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.